Nagbabalik ang PTV Sports at kasama natin ngayon live sa studio si Jo Marie Iliana para pag-usapan ang kanyang mga pinagkakabalahan sa motorsport industry.
Ayun, good morning.
Good
Good morning.
Thank you for joining us.
Fresh ni
Salamat.
Sir George.
Thanks for having me.
Yes,
Handsome as always.
Oo.
Salamat.
At suki natin sa PTV yan. Sige, sir. Sir, pag-usapan naman natin, paano ba kayo nahilig sa motorsport?
Nako, motorsport. I started professional racing way back 1996.
Okay.
So, as a professional race car driver, kasabay ko ang Batangas Racing Circuit. Pioneer ako dyan. The first category na I competed in was, back then it was called the Toyota Corolla Cup. Ngayon, Vios Cup na ang tawag nila. So, during that time, that was my first. I raced for Toyota Team Toms for mga 6 years, ganyan. Diyan nagsimula yan.
1996, at that time, lumalabas ka pa sa TV as an actor. Tama ba ako?
TV, movies,
Yes.
inabot ko pa yung golden age of cinema.
Pero hindi pa ganun ka sikat ang motorsport that time.
Ang motorsport ng Pilipinas, I mean, it had its ups and downs. So kumbaga, tayo naman yung pinakamalaki. Tayo yung pinakasikat pre-war, post-war. Pero nagtuloy-tuloy yan until nagkaroon ng mga bumps, and there was even a time na it was banned. May time na naban yan sa buong Pilipinas. And it made a comeback during the 80s with the karting, and then during the 90s na lift na yung ban niyan.
Okay.
And yun yung birth ng Subic International Raceway, Batangas Racing Circuit,
Lumaki na siya.
Clark International Speedway, ganyan. And tayo naman ngayon, meron tayong category na ginigising, wini-wake up natin siya. Ito yung rally racing. So, yan yung piniprepare namin ngayon. At ino-offer uli sa Pilipino. Ino-offer natin sa tao. At ginigising natin yung rally racing na category ng motorsport.
Opo, pero ito nga no, Sir Jo Marie, 90s hanggang ngayon, paano natin na, naman yun, yung challenge naman nun, no? Kasi nag-aartista po tayo, tapos ito naman, meron din tayong sport. Paano po natin napagsasabay po yun?
During the time na nagko-compete pa ako in circuit racing, yun yung time na araw-araw meron akong trabaho, parang 2-3 pelikula, ginagawa ko sabay-sabay, tapos meron akong TV show. For me, motorsport is my Disneyland, parang ganyan. So, kung meron akong 8 weekends in a year, for me, yung 8 weekends yon na nasa racetrack ako, parang break ko yun na umaalis ako sa world of make-believe, which is show business. And then, pag nasa racetrack ako, for me, yun yung oras na kung saan everything na ginagawa ko, kumbaga, walang halong pagkukunwari. Kumbaga, sport, and then everything is totoo. And ano lang yun, Friday, Saturday, karera ng Sunday. And for me, yun, takes me away doon sa hectic na schedule ng shooting, taping, memorizing lines, acting. Pero pagdating sa racetrack, andun yung buong loob ko, passion, and of course, yung naghahangad na ng manalo.
Competitive
Mag-uwi ng
talaga
trophy.
din.
Siyempre.
Alright.
It's a diversion of yung sabi mo nga, different world kung saan na-enjoy mo siya. Kahit napagod ka, enjoy pa din.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ganun talaga. Ganun ang lahat naman ng sport, di ba? It involves a lot of discipline.
Correct.
Kailangan nasa kondisyon yung katawan mo, ganyan.
Mas challenging pa na that time kasi when you were starting, artista, and then you still manage your time. Diba? Nagagawan talaga ng paraan. Pero pag-usapan naman natin yung experience mo sa Motorsport Carnival na supported ng Automobile Association of the Philippines.
Yes, we launched Motorsport Carnivale noong 2023, and doon kami nag-kick off. Actually, nagpapasalamat ako sa PTV4 kasi ang ganda nung ang ganda nung footage na binigay nila sa amin, yung promotion na binigay, coverage na binigay niyo sa akin noong 2023. Ngayon, for 2025, we added categories, more categories ng racing. We kicked off nung May 4 with a modern day slalom racing, no. These are mga grassroots na motorsport na enthusiast. We had a little less than 200 participants.
Okay, that's big.
So, ginawa namin yung event sa boardwalk in Okada. And then, followed it up with, we launched Joms Cup. So, Joms Cup was named after me. Drag racing na event naman to.
Wow!
So, drag racing na 1/8 mile lang. Sa boardwalk din namin ginawa in Okada. 3 categories, supercar, muscle car, at saka vintage classic. Ngayon naman, June 21 will be yung ceremonial flag off ng AAP Rally of Lubang.
Maraming pupunta dyan.
Sana. So it's a rally event. So the rally event, first time to sa Pilipinas na yung rally event dadalhin namin sa isang island. So sa island of Lubang in Occidental Mindoro. Pero sa June 21, magkakaroon ng ceremonial flag off. So parang yung ceremonial niya na i-kick off yung rally, sa Okada rin namin gagawin.
Marami tayong mga inoorganisa, no? And of course, marami itong mga participants. Pero ano ba yung challenging part po dun?
Production. Ang challenging part naman is the preparation for production. Yan yung pre-prod. Siyempre, yung pagbubuo ng event. Of course, consider dyan yung weather. Diba? Pag-aalaga mo ng participants, we consider them as VIPs.
Really?
Lahat naman ng sumasali, VIP. Of course, also, yung pinaka-importante rin is yung safety.
Of course.
Kasi motorsport tong event na ito. So, ang binabantayan namin, ang safety features ng lahat ng aspeto nito. Pagdating sa safety, wala kaming compromise. So, number 1 sa amin, ang safety ng event. At kung sakaling magkaroon ng crash or mishap, kailangan mabilis kaming mag-responde at alam namin yung gagawin.
Alright. Well, nabanggit mo kanina about focusing on grassroots. A lot of sports, a lot of events, yan talaga yung kanilang goal when they are starting an organization or a team or an event. Bakit naisipan nyo mag-focus ngayon o bigyang mapansin ng grassroots?
We're waking up the sport. We're planning on placing the Philippines back into the world map of motorsport. So, lahat ng focus namin, grassroots yan. Lahat ng category. So, may it be autocross, may it be slalom racing, drag racing, or rally racing. Ino-offer namin to sa mga baguhan. Of course, yung mga experienced drivers, of course, they're still invited. There's room for them. Pero we want to offer this to the young ones. Na we're here na to guide them, direct them sa proper direction, and we're here to take care of them. No? Dun sa mga mahilig, gustong pumasok, gustong sumubok ng motor racing dito sa Pilipinas. And kami, we're ready. We're happy, more than glad to take care of them, offer them yung hilig nilang karera, and to guide them through hanggang makapag-produce kami ng future Filipino champions.
Wow, ganda nga goal naman yun.
Diba?
Yeah.
Pero ito nga po, no, Sir Jo Marie, curious ako kasi gaano ba ito ka-accessible sa tao ngayon? No? Kasi baka ang isipin nila ay motorsport. Ano yan, pang mayaman. Parang ganun, hindi siya accessible. Lalo na po yung mga event natin, upcoming events natin. Kasi yun nga, progressing po itong sport po natin ngayon.
You'll be surprised kasi ang Super Sprint which we hosted nung May 4, lahat ng umattend dito, most of them or maybe all of them are daily driven cars. So they arrive, dala yung daily driver nila. Yung kotse nilang ginagamit pang araw-araw. And doon nila nare-realize na pwede na nilang gamitin yun to have fun.
Oh.
And
pwede.
yun yung gamit nila na kami naman tinuturuan namin sila kung paano. It's a novice grassroots event na kung saan hindi na sila lalayo, nandito sila sa heart ng Metro Manila. 'Di ba malapit lang?
Yes.
And we're there to guide them through, and yun yung parang first step nila before proceeding dun sa mga mas matataas na category.
So pwede po yung mga ganong klaseng sasakyan.
Customize na lang.
Oo.
I-customize nila yung kotse.
Yes, oo.
But you
Tapos-
mentioned already about cars at syempre nasa motorsport ka. Curious lang kami, I mean, ilan ba ang kotse na meron ka? At ilan yung ginagamit mo pang race? Ano yung favorite mo?
I have a few. I have a couple. So, most of them are race cars. So, meron tayong mga pang-circuit na kotse, pang-circuit racing, pang-rally, pang-autocross, pang-slalom, ganyan. Ako, ang pinakagusto ko yung malamig yung aircon. Although, meron akong, I still have a few from yung mga lumang kotse ko. Mahilig ako sa mga vintage cars. So, ang hilig ko talaga mga luma. And, ano pa rin ako. Sa puso ko, Toyota boy pa rin ako. So, I like vintage Toyota cars.
What is it with the vintage cars? Bakit yun ang iyong napupusuan?
They don't make them like that anymore. So, sa akin, parang kung ano yung design nung panahon na yon, you capture parang a space in time where kung kailan siya pinreduce, no? And I heard from a collector of sorts, kumbaga, yung mga connoisseur na collector, no? Sabi nila, kung magko-collect ka raw ng bagay or kahit anong bagay, kailangan kaedad mo. So, kung pinanganak ka ng 1976, ang pinaka nababagay sa'yo na vintage na gamit, kapanahunan kung kailan ka pinanganak. Yun ang sinasabi nila.
Ganon.
Ganon.
Merang ganun.
Yeah.
Wow, naku, sana ma-showcase ni ano. Sir. Pero ito nga po, are we expecting more motorsport events naman po kung saan involved din po kayo?
Yes, we prepared a series of events for this year. Hanggang November to eh. Hanggang November to. So, nag-kick off lang kami ng May. Expected naman namin na tuloy-tuloy. So, hanggang November, November may awards night kami. May Tamiya pa akong karera ng
Wow,
November. Totoo.
Nag-guess po namin si Sir, hindi po dito.
Si Ferdy.
Yes po,
Sino yung
Ferdy
gina-
Can.
Si Ferdy.
Ayos po.
Yeah. So, magkakaroon pa kami ng Tamiya na race ng November, kasabay nung awards night namin. Lahat nung karera namin for the whole year. And in between itong Burr months, mid-year hanggang Burr months, meron pa kami pinaprepare. Like, makabagong car show, makabagong mga car and motorcycle meet, tapos meron pa kaming karting for the kids. Madami. Lahat ng category ng karera gusto namin, nalalatag namin yung platform.
Nakakatuwa kasi this is an avenue for a lot of people at nai-introduce siya sa sport na to. Yung nabanggit mo nga, sir, you have an upcoming event all year round. This is your chance para i-message sila,
yes.
invite sila. Kung meron ka gustong pasalamatan, at you can go ahead.
Salamat po. Unang-una, thanks for having me.
Thank you po.
Dito sa PTV Sports, and Motorsport Carnivale proudly presents the AAP Rally of Lubang. Magkakaroon po kami ng ceremonial flag-off dyan po sa Okada, Manila sa June 21. Kaya sana po magkita-kita tayo. Doon sa mga kababayan natin na taga Lubang, darating po ang AAP Rally of Lubang dyan at abangan ninyo. So, sa mga gustong manood, follow nyo lang po ang aming mga social media pages, Motorsport Carnivale PH, sa Facebook, IG, at saka TikTok. Salamat po!